5 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 56. English, Spotlight 5, My Family, homework page 56. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now, repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Once more, please, repeat with me. Вместе повторим. It's getting late, it's getting late, it's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late, please don't go. It's getting late, please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we must repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. Boys and girls, the year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Repeat after me. Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white. And now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 56. 56. My family. Family members. Члены семьи, моя семья. My secret diary. Мой секретный дневник. Name. Kate Green. Age. 12. Read the text. Secret diary. Read. My family. Letter A. My mom's name is Jane. She's 35 and a music teacher. She can play the guitar. She's very clever. Clever – умный. Guitar – гитара. Letter B. This is my dad, David. He is 42 and he is a pilot. He can speak French. He is very cool. Cool – это классный, клёвый, классный. Letter C. Tom is my brother. He is 8 and he is very naughty. but deep down he is very caring. Naughty – непослушный. Caring – заботливый. Letter D. Helen is my grandma. She is 70 years old. She is kind and friendly. She can make cookies, but she often burns them. Cookies – печенье. Burn – гореть глагол, она их сжигает. Burns. Letter E. This is my grandpa. His name is Ben, and he is 72. He's really funny. Реальный, смешной. Really – действительный, реальный. Funny – смешной. Letter F. Emma is my baby sister. She is sweet but very noisy. She can't walk yet. Baby – ребенок до года. В английском языке. Sweet – сладенький, миленький. Noisy – шумный. And now exercise number 1. Look at Kate's secret diary. Посмотрите на Катин секретный дневник. Кто ее? Mother, mom, brother, grandfather, grandpa, father, dad, sister, grandmother, grandma. The answer, exercise number 1. The answer. Her mother is Jane, letter A. Her brother is Tom, letter C. Her grandpa is Ben, letter E. Her father is David, letter B. Her sister is Emma, letter F. Her grandma is Helen, letter D. Exercise number 2, letter A. Page number 56. What is the text about? Listen, read and check to find out details. О чем текст? The text is about Kate's family. Exercise number 2, letter B. Page number 56. Read and mark the sentences. Right, wrong, doesn't say. Right. Правильный ответ, верный. Wrong. Неверно. Doesn't say. Не сказано в тексте. The answer. Kate plays the violin. Не сказано. Jane can dance. Doesn't say. Не сказано. David can speak 5 languages. Неверно. Wrong. Неверно. Kate's got a baby brother. Right. Верно. Kate visits her grandparents every weekend. Doesn't say. Не сказано. Boys and girls, the lesson is over. Goodbye.